Hi, Dave Snyder here. It's the 9th of October 2015, and I just wanted to show you real quick this it's like a naturally bordered picture of Europe, basically, the European continent. Basically, from this line you see in the weather, this circular pattern actually right here would be the European continent, or anything attached to it over here. This is all Asia, of course, but there's like this natural weather line that separates the area, basically. And you can see that circular pattern right there. See the circular pattern right here? That's important, very important. That's basically wherever you get one of those, you have a continent, I guess. Um, Let me show you something with that. Something else with that overlay I just showed you the other day. This one. And you see how it's basically bordered in the same place almost. Except that one comes up right here, right? Let's see. Comes up right in front. And you see the round? Okay. That impact right there happens here. This is a good overlay. I mean, you don't even notice that. See this circular pattern here? See that? I never noticed it was even circular till I got this overlay here. I never even noticed there was a circular pattern there till this pattern was here, and then I turn the borders on. You can totally see that there's an impact pattern there, right there. And then that weather that I overlaid over this, which is right here. I overlaid this over the weather, didn't I? This weather here, that fits right in there. I mean, you can go look up the symbol for moon. Look up symbol for moon, and you'll see this a symbol just like this come up. It looks like the symbol for pi almost. See this right here? It's like the symbol for pi. If you look it up for moon, it's like the same thing. It has these. It looks just like this, the symbol for moon, in Japanese, whatever their writing is, that style writing they got. But it looks just like that. Look it up. That's the symbol for moon, basically. You might have to reverse it because it would be seen different if they were seeing it on the moon. It would be opposite this way. But this fits right inside this picture of this Moscovians crater like this. I mean, it fits there just right, just beautifully. And then when you take this away, this Moscovians away, and look at this over the land, you can see it fits. That weather looks like it's made for that spot. Totally. Especially right in here, this area here, and this. I mean, the whole thing. I've looked it over. I mean, that's a Moscovian. I mean, that it just makes it more complicated because basically we got the lunar South Pole in this area, and we got Moscovians in this area. But that just makes this. It just kind of shows that this has been the magnetic North Pole or South Pole when the poles flip, whatever it is. This area's been hit by at least three places. I've done at least three different alignments of the moon up here in this area. Mare Moscovians, lunar South Pole, and Mare Oriental. All will go up here at certain times. They all will fit. The weather shows them different times. You know, like this has been a Moscovians month or whatever, pretty much. And because the same day there was another weather pattern somewhere in this area that I saved and put over this too, but I don't know, maybe it's right here. Yeah, I might have moved something around, but this one right here I have that one aligned to it too, I think, or aligned to something else. Yeah, it's aligned to something else. Anyways, I just want to show you the weather there, showing some. You can see the circular impact pattern in that weather today on Wonder Maps right here. See this circular pattern right here? Shows you something right there. And I showed you that the other day, and that just came up today. So yeah, Moscovians, Moscow right in the middle. That's Moscow right there. This is called Moscovians. Come on, it's the same thing. Every name that's in this around this crater is Russian on the moon. Every name around this crater on the moon is Russian name. Okay, so when this fits here like this, and I'm sure it could fit better. I don't have it up there perfect, but I'm sure it could fit a little better. I'm just saying, it definitely goes up here. The weather showed it, and it just, you look it over and do it yourself. You'll see. goes there. So this is the way that the magnetic North Pole is heading this direction. And we already got two places here, and then this is the other magnetic zone right here. To what do they call that? Tunguska, or whatever. So that's the magnetic zone. Or used to be at one time. They were over the magnetic zone or something because we got the Siberian traps up here. That lava field that's like bigger than any lava field on the planet or whatever. So that's a definite. It erupted for a million years. Can you see why? I'm trying to show you. All right. Well, have a good day.